we have discussed 4 units: kilogram, second, meter and candela. Fifth unit of SI system, that is international system of unit, is ampere. So we will discuss little bit about ampere here. So we know ampere is the unit of current. So initially in MKS system, that is meter, kilogram, second, ampere was not involved. It came later on. So ampere officially was introduced in metric system in 1921. In 1921, CGPM, that is General Conference on Weight and Measures, in 1921 introduced ampere, the unit of current, as the base unit in SI system. During those days, this was not called SI system. It became SI system in 1960. Before that, it was called metric system. So MKS, or it was called MKS system, meter, kilogram, second system. So MKS system was in use before 1921. After 1921, when ampere was recognized as the base unit of this current, then this MKS system was modified as MKSA. This was called MKSA. After 1921, the system MKS system was redefined as MKSA system. A for ampere. So ampere was officially adopted in 1921. So before 1921, when it was included in MKS system, we know the CGS system, which was given by British Association for Advancement of Science, and it was officially adopted by Britain. CGS system, it is older than this metric system in terms of convention. Metric system was officially ratified in 1875 by 17 nations. Even though metric system was by French was adopted much earlier in 1799, but officially metric system was internationally recognized in 1875. Whereas CGS system, which is called Gaussian system, that was also parallelly competing with metric system, centimeter, gram and second. It was proposed by Gauss, and after that it was modified by Maxwell and adopted by Britain in 1874. That is 1 year before 1875, when metric convention was signed by 17 nations. So before MKS system in 1921, ampere was defined in CGS system. CGS system has its own definition of ampere. Ampere was named in CGS system as abampere. Abampere, that is abampere. The CGS system was named as abampere and defined as current which creates a force of 2 dyne per centimeter between two wires separated in a vacuum and placed at 1 centimeter distance. So that was the definition in CGS system, which is older than MKS system. After that, when this ampere was adopted in MKS system, which is metric system, in 1921, the new definition of current was given in this metric system, and the new definition of current was, and ampere in CGS system, which I forgotten to tell you, ampere in CGS system was defined as 1/10 part of this current. 1/10 part of this current which is flowing in the wire and creating 2 dyne per centimeter force between wire placed at 1 centimeter distance in vacuum. In MKS system, in metric system, when it was adopted in 1921, ampere was redefined as it is the force, it is the current, amount of current flowing in the two parallel infinitely long wire placed 1 meter apart in vacuum and creating a force on each other with the value equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So that is the definition of ampere in MKS system, metric system. To a current which is flowing in two parallel infinitely long wire separated in space by 1 meter distance and creates a force on each other, that is due to magnetic interaction, equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter length of wire. So that definition of ampere was adopted in 1921, and after this adoption, this MKS system was known as MKSA system. This was the fourth unit in metric system. Ampere was the fourth unit in metric system. First two were meter and kilogram, then second, and then fourth unit was ampere. So the system was known after this adoption. The system was known as MKSA system.